Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lilliane and I am so excited to have you here. Today we are having another episode of Lilliane Try. Yep, we are going to try something I've never done before. I bought this from Amazon. This is a package. I've not even opened it yet. I'm just so excited. I got it through Aramex. Apparently Amazon sends parcels via Aramex to Africa, which is amazing because I just got it to my doorstep. And we're going to tear it up a little bit and open it. So what we're going to try, I got it for $7.75. Can you believe that? That is around 800 bob. And this is my 800 bob of what we're going to try on. Lips. We're going to do something to do with my lips today. The brand is called Wow 6 Colors Premium of Lip Gloss. Okay, in my head when I bought it, it was supposed to be a lip tint. I literally googled lip tint. So let's see what it's actually going to tint up my lips, or it's just going to be glossing it up. So we're going to use them according to which one is lighter than the other one, so that by the time we get to the thicker one, if they are going to tint my lips, although they are saying they are glosses, my lips won't be affected as much and we can see the progress as we go on, right? Let me wash my hands. And I'm thinking the lovely peach is the least concentrated one. We're going to have it as a, oh, there's another packet. We're going to have it as our #1 trial. This is the lovely peach. Antique Bear. Wow, it actually smells amazing. Just going to apply this. My lips feel really tight. Okay, I shouldn't be talking to you and I'm doing this. Cause see? That I'm going to let it dry for 1 minute. And I'll get back to you.
A few moments later.
I think I should remove it. I'll just remove it. It's been like how many minutes? 5 minutes? I'll just remove it, I think. Oh my god, look! And it looks like that. I wanted to use the cotton pad, but now I'm rethinking it. What if I use the cotton pad and it kind of wipes it off? Oh my god! Look at my lips! And they look so natural. Well, if I could put more effort in wiping that. But what happens if I wipe with a cotton pad? Should we see? We're going to use water. Don't use water. Water just kind of removed everything. But can you see though? I have the most natural lips that are so peachy ever. What should we try next? I'm thinking watermelon. This is the watermelon, and you have to be very careful. Every time you open it, kind of like starts oozing. Oozing seems like the wrong word, but it does. Oh yeah. How many minutes should I have this thing on? I really need instruction on that date. I really need instructions, yo. I'm actually going to time this up and see if it actually dries fully. I'll get back to you when it's fully dry. It's been exactly 12 to 15 minutes. And this head, see? This head. So I feel like it's really dry, or I should do something crazy enough and just go. I don't do that. I love myself too much. We're going to try removing this one. Oh, this one dried it like completely dried up. Okay, that is painful. I probably shouldn't let it dry that much. Ouch. 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 It's a saying my mother used to tell me when I was young. So in the minutes of looking for beauty, I'll just keep on saying my ouches. What do you think? This is the watermelon. The watermelon I think kind of looks like a nice sweet red. right? I was getting there, but that was painful removing it. Painful, but it was painful. They actually said this lasts for more than 6 hours, and I wish this was like a clear cup. You could see that nothing is being left on my cup. I'm going to wash it with water, like completely wash it, because they said may contain stain. I think the stain is kind of blowing our judgment, but look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, look at this bit. Oh my god, it's amazing. See? Holy! So when I'm watching all those Korean series and they all look like their natural lips are so pink and red, this is the secret. Even for the guys. Do they make the guys do this? Just going to go ahead and do something crazy. Take up that, and then I'm going to take this because I pulled myself quite a bit. I'm going to use this soothing, very Dixie Calendula whip cleanser. Whip, that's it, shake and whip. Isn't that amazing? Oh, it smells amazing too. If it says for more than 10 minutes, pulling it becomes hard. Blood. So pulling it becomes quite a challenge. So we're going to do it for just 5 minutes because I love myself a lot. Like really, I do love myself. We've done lovely peach, we've done watermelon, and I think we should do sweet pink. Sweet pink. Immediately you open that happens. If you're not careful, this thing can actually stain you everywhere. I'm going to using the word stain because they said it may contain stain. They smell amazing though. I'm going to time myself for exactly 5 minutes. It is exactly 5 minutes. And I think I messed up with the first one for going 15 close minutes. That was too much, even for my own lips. It still doesn't look so dry though. Let's peel this thing off. So there we go. Oh my god. And the cool thing is not staining to the teeth. I'm just going being silly. But I won't lie, I really love these lip tints. I was a little bit concerned when they just said it was a lip gloss, but it's tinting my lips, alright? The next one we're going to do orange. How would you feel having orange lips? Let's clean this up. And as usual, we're going to use a little bit of water, put it on a cotton pad, take our whip cleanser, and shoop, 1 pump of it. And So this is the best I could do. My lips are quite tainted, so I'm going to take the oil cleanser and try working it through.
A few moments later.
Here we are. They're tainted, stained, but not as much. My teeth are almost back to natural. Now we're doing this with orange. Sweet orange, everyone. It does look sweet. Imagine your lipstick was that. Ooh, that looks sweet. So we shall give this an, let's say 6 minutes, because it's almost 5. Actually enough time. Let's remove our sweet orange. You know what? I don't even know how to apply makeup. Maybe this is the reason I'm not able to remove this thing so well. If you try it, you could probably do it better than I do. Oh, okay. I see it now. Do I look orange enough? Do I? I do, right? Yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And we just on number 4. There came 6 of them. We're clean, fresh, stained, but well, I do. And we're going to do cherry red. Or should we do sexy red first? Which one should we do first? Judging a book by its cover, I think we should do sexy red. And then this one because it looks darker. I'm not a fan of the application bit. We should ask us to apply oil. And they didn't say that. I feel them, oh, especially in the place that I pulled out my skin. That should be more than enough time. And this one looks really dry. Oh my god, I think we should check how many minutes that was. Oh, you could turn a shader. For this, I got this. What do you think? Was it right? Over there. Yeah. Oh. Looks like I'm filling my lips, right? What do you think? Sexy red, right? Cold coffee, cold coffee. Yeah. Actually, like your hands are super dry. I didn't have a difficulty with this one because my hands are super dry. This was really easy removing it. Oh, I did the other 4 wrongly. Lesson learned, and we have 1 more to go. Let's wipe sexy off and go to cherry. Oh. Okay.
A few moments later.
Oh, okay.
More moments later.
Guys, we've come to the end of our episode Lilliane tries. Keep it locked so that you can see more of me trying out things, talking about my skincare, trying out everything you want me to try out. This has been our last and our 6th, which was the cherry red. I'm going to put a link below on the description below on where you can get them. I don't think there's anyone selling them in Kenya. I bought mine through Amazon. The only issue with buying from Amazon is that you end up paying so much for just shipping and convenience fees and taxes rather than the product, because I ended up paying the total of both of the products is around 21.18, and then paying $16. Total order was $51. Can you imagine that? $51. That was so much money. But anyway, here they are, the 6 childs of wow. And I have to say this, like, wow, because I do love them. I love how they all went on and everything. Would I recommend them? Definitely. Are they expensive? Not really. The shipping bit is expensive. Do they stain? Yes, they do. Look at my fingers. They really stain. And I have used soap to wash this. They really stain. But the disclaimer bit happens to be where they tell you may contain stain. And anyway, it's a tint. So what do you expect? You don't need a professional to do it. All you need to do is be very careful, outline your lips very well when you're doing it. Be very careful when you're pulling off, because, well, if you're not careful, utatoka na nyama. Ni nyama ama ni ngozi, but utatoka nayo. Be very careful when you're pulling it off. Be very gentle to your skin. Everything we have to do with our skin is supposed to be very gentle. That's something I keep on saying whenever I'm talking about skincare. Thank you so much for keeping it tuned. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe. I have been your host, African Canva, and I will keep on doing it. So if you have anything else you want me to try out, this is your girl. A junkie for Korean items. These are the wow color tints, affordable for me. Thank you so much, and have a good evening, have a good morning. Remember to click that notification bell and click that subscription button. 감사합니다. Ciao.